This station looks very old. What's that under the bench? It looks like an old train ticket. This ticket is very old. Who is Sarah? I want to know more about this. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course.
I found this train ticket.
This ticket has quite a story.
Sarah waited here many years ago. She was waiting for someone named Daniel. What happened to him?
No one knows. He never arrived on that train.
A storm damaged the railway tracks. Many trains were canceled that day. Maybe Daniel never received the message. I finally found Daniel's address. I need to talk to him. Maybe he knows the truth. What's this photo? These people look happy. Could this be Sarah? Maybe this photo can help me solve the mystery. Wait, I found Sarah's name. This newspaper is very old. Sarah lived in this town many years ago. Now I'm getting closer to the truth. Now I understand. The storm changed everything. Sarah and Daniel never got the chance to meet. This ticket has been hiding a story for years.
This letter is for you.
Thank you, Daniel.
I'm sorry I never came that day.
It wasn't your fault.
One small ticket changed two lives.
Some memories never fade.
And some stories never end.